Most people hear that term and they think, what even is trade finance? So maybe this is a good corollary. The shipping container, right? If you look at a shipping container in Singapore or Dubai or the US or Japan or China, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, that shipping container has been standardized to be able to be shipped to every single one of those shipping yards, be put onto the trucks and be able to be taken to wherever it's going, right? And so there's these other systems all over the world that haven't had that same standardization. But I think you guys are doing that for, or Andre Casterman in particular, for bill of lading, receivables, the way that data is managed across counterparties when they're transacting with these containers or, goods that are being transferred worldwide. And then once you have a messaging standard and a way to like structure that data where everybody can receive it and it's aligned immediately, then you can move to instant settlement and all the fun stuff,
Right. Yeah.
that we want to do. So maybe give people kind of a high level of that use case in particular.
You gave a very good overview of trade finance. Just trying to think how to add to that, but trade finance. Many people don't hear that term, and like you said, may not know what it means. But
Right.
but it touches everything you do in everyday life. Everything from the food you eat to the clothes you wear. Everything involves trade finance, and the trade finance industry, aside from the shipping containers and all that, just from a value perspective, is a multi-trillion-dollar, with a T, multi-trillion-dollar industry, and it involves every country in the world, and it drives the economy. I mean, without trade finance, I couldn't even imagine what an economy would look like. We'd all be,
It'd be all
every country.
yeah.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have, people are so used to going to the grocery store here and having access to bananas and pineapples and exotic fruits and all of these other international cuisines that people here in the US just take for granted, that show up, but if you didn't have the infrastructure or global trade at the scale that we do, you wouldn't be able to get access to this stuff, especially year round. Like you go to the grocery store and if they were just out of something, people are like, what? Why are they out? Well, it's out of season here. You couldn't get it, so.
And that's something Andre he's leading that effort pretty much across XTC.